All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're zeroing in on something literally every single freelancer and small business owner obsesses over: getting paid. And, more importantly, getting paid faster.
So, let's just address the elephant in the room right off the bat. Are late payments totally killing your cash flow? I mean, if you're a solo operator or you're running a small agency, you already know this pain all too well. The real day-to-day struggle usually isn't some complex multi-entity bookkeeping puzzle. It's really just getting those invoices out the door and then surviving those agonizing manual follow-ups when clients, inevitably, forget to pay on time.
And it's a huge issue because late payments are easily one of the most common cash flow bottlenecks out there. But what's worse, a lot of the clunky legacy tools people use are actually making the problem worse. Because so many of those free tools out there just lack crucial features, like automated reminders or integrated online payments, you end up forced into doing all this manual labor. You know the drill, right? Crafting those polite but firm emails, refreshing your bank app like a maniac, and personally chasing down every single late payment. It is absolutely exhausting, and it literally takes you away from the actual work that generates your revenue.
Section 1. Enter Invoice Ninja. Let's see how this builds.
So, what is it? Well, Invoice Ninja is a free, open-source invoicing and billing platform that launched back in 2014, and its entire architecture is laser-focused on one singular goal: getting your business paid faster. It handles the whole shebang: invoicing, quotes, recurring billing, expense tracking, and time tracking, all in one connected system. But what makes it truly special is that it flat-out refuses to be everything to everyone.
And that brings us to a really crucial point. We need to understand exactly what Invoice Ninja is not. It is intentionally not a full double-entry accounting platform. If you're running a complex manufacturing business that needs detailed balance sheets, or you require that strict double-entry bookkeeping, you'd typically want to look at a dedicated accounting tool, something like Accounting or GNU Cash. By comparison, Invoice Ninja's accounting depth is intentionally limited. Why? Well, because by not trying to be some massive, overly complex ERP system, it can pour absolutely all of its energy into perfecting the invoicing and payment collection process. It's a highly focused tool for a very specific, vital job.
Section 2. Features that get you paid.
Now, what's really interesting is how each of these features works together to totally eliminate your manual data entry. It all starts with professional, highly customizable templates, so your brand looks fantastic. But the real magic happens with the automated payment reminders. Think about it. No more manually tracking who owes you what. No more typing out those awkward reminder emails. If you have subscription or retainer clients, the recurring invoicing just handles those billing cycles without any manual re-entry at all. Plus, you can integrate online payments directly into the invoice itself. There's even a self-service client portal. Your customers can literally log in, view their payment history, and check outstanding balances themselves. Oh, and if you bill by the hour, you can track your time and expenses right inside that exact same platform. To really see this in action, the source material shares this great real-world scenario about a freelance graphic designer. So previously, this designer was creating invoices completely manually in a word processor, typing it all up, exporting a PDF, attaching it to an email, and then constantly checking the mail to see if a check arrived. I mean, we've all been there, right? But after switching to Invoice Ninja, they reported that just turning on those automated payment reminders drastically cut down the hours they were spending chasing overdue money. And even better, once they enabled online payment options right there on the invoices, they started getting paid noticeably faster on average. The invoices basically started managing themselves.
Section 3. The cost comparison.
$300. That is roughly what a freelancer might spend every single year on a mid-tier plan for a popular tool like FreshBooks. Now sure, for a massive corporation, that's absolutely nothing. But for a solo operator or a small agency that's carefully watching every single business expense, $300 a year, year after year, that is a meaningful chunk of change just for the privilege of sending clean invoices.
And this brilliantly illustrates where Invoice Ninja completely flips the script. Because while FreshBooks is typically going to run you anywhere from $17 to $55 a month, depending on your client count and what feature tier you're on, Invoice Ninja offers a completely different reality. Since it's open source, the self-hosted version literally has zero licensing cost. Or if you'd rather use their official hosted version, they offer a genuinely useful free tier. And hey, even if you do upgrade to their paid tiers to raise your usage limits, it generally undercuts the pricing of those big mainstream tools by a mile. You are getting comparable, if not better, functionality for payment collection at an absolute fraction of the cost.
Section 4. Getting started fast.
So if you're worried about switching, don't be. Invoice Ninja is designed to be completely frictionless to implement.
In fact, most freelancers and small agencies can knock out a full migration in just a few days. You literally just follow these steps. First, jump in and customize your invoice template so your branding is locked in and ready to go. Second, set up those recurring invoices for your retainer clients right away so you don't forget. Third, and honestly, this is the absolute most important step for getting paid faster, connect your payment gateway. It integrates seamlessly with Stripe, PayPal, and regional processors so your clients can just pay you online instantly. And finally, if you're moving over from another tool, just export your history as a CSV and map your client fields using their flexible import tools. It brings all your contacts right in.
Now, because this is an open source project, you actually have some real choices on how you want to run it. You can just go with the official free tier, which costs absolutely nothing and requires zero server management on your end. It is absolutely perfect for solo operators who are just starting out. Then, as your client base grows, you can easily bump up to the official paid tier to raise your limits. You still have zero maintenance, plus you get managed backups and security patching. But if you're tech-savvy and have a PHP-compatible server environment, or maybe you use Docker, you can choose the self-hosted route. The software license itself is free, you just pay for whatever hosting you use. The massive benefit here? Total data control. Your client billing and payment data stays entirely locked down within your own infrastructure.
Ultimately, what really sets this platform apart is that incredibly focused design. It is just the clear-cut pick for freelancers and small agencies whose absolute primary need is professional invoicing. I mean, if you're a service business billing hourly, that integrated time tracking is going to give you massive value. And if you live on retainer contracts, the automated recurring billing is exactly what you need to smooth out your cash flow. Which brings us to the most important question of all. How much time will you actually save when your invoices literally chase themselves? Think about it. If chasing late payments is currently eating up your valuable time, Invoice Ninja's automated reminders alone completely justify making the switch. Optimize that workflow, stop doing manual labor, and get paid faster. All right, that wraps up our explainer on Invoice Ninja. In our next one, we'll be shifting gears completely to look at Firefly 3, which is a super powerful finance tracker built for detailed budgeting and total cash flow visibility. Can't wait to see you there.